All right, let me just show you. So what we got going on. So we're taking out this section for the door, garage door.
All right. I was upstairs and Gordon's been busy. Kind of exciting. I think we're gonna have to move this cap out of the way for them to come. I can envision a garage there, right?
We'll have them cut the opening to the height that we would want if the floor had a pitch.
Okay.
That way it's
so right there.
ready.
Yep.
That's one thought. The other is just kind of cut it and match. Camera snap. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Water gonna freeze?
No, it's flowing fast enough.
Okay.
That the sun's coming out. It's supposed to warm up a bit.
Oh, I hate to tell you, the sun doesn't hit this side of the house for another 3 hours.
You should have saw what we were dealing with yesterday.
Oh, it was terrible. You working?
It was sun all the way around us, except for where we were working. It was in a wind tunnel up on this huge hill.
Oh, it's horrible.
I'm so sorry.
20 degrees out, but it felt like 5 or 0
like-
We
degrees.
stepped around the corner and warmed up like 15 degrees.
I almost wondered if we should cancel, but this is the third time trying to get this damn door, and every time we had it scheduled, it was this kind of weather.
Yeah, this isn't so bad. This is you can't walk. We deal with a lot worse.
Good. Everything's frozen. Oh, there it is.
And we probably cut the form pin a little too. See that little jobber sticking out
Yep.
right there?
Yep.
That's what I thought we were cutting, but come to find out, lo and behold.
Thought it was shorter than Alan.
Yeah, I don't bump my head very often.
No, you guys did a great job for what you ran into.
It, Carissa.
No, it's...
I got the name right?
You did! Carissa! Very good. Yeah, that bar. Wow. Okay.
Well, it never fails.
We are Gordon and Carissa. Our friends and family say we take on some crazy projects. Maybe. With the kids grown, graduated, and half married off, it's just us, my mom, and our cat Wilbur. With extra time, we started photo and video documenting. We hope you enjoy our projects as much as we do.